Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second video that is totally about artificial intelligence and its future, so please remain with me till end. Without wasting our time, let's start our video. So, our artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s. From early experiments in natural language processing to groundbreaking achievements in machine learning and computer vision, AI has transformed the way we live, work, and play. At its core, AI is all about learning from data. By analyzing vast amounts of information, AI algorithms can identify patterns, make predictions, and even make decisions on their own. Today, AI is being used in a wide range of industries to improve efficiency, accuracy, and safety. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is transforming the way we do things. By experts, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare. But it also raises important ethical and societal questions that we need to address as a society. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful and ubiquitous, we need to be mindful of the potential risks and downsides. From job displacement to bias and discrimination, there are many challenges that we need to address as a society. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and future of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.